All right, what's up? So I want to give y'all an update on the S10. I've been welding the exhaust. So the driver's side is completely done now. It comes out the fender. Also welded the wastegate to the exhaust housing. So the driver's side's completely done. I'm getting ready to finish up the passenger side. So I have to drill a hole in the exhaust housing, weld the wastegate to it. This is the passenger side exhaust. So really happy with the way both sides came out. This is some cheap metal and it welded pretty good. So I got a time lapse of me welding that. So I will show y'all that and then I'll bring y'all back when I start welding on the exhaust housing. All right, so I got the hole cut in the exhaust housing and got the wastegate flange tacked up there. I'm about to go ahead and TIG weld it. I just use regular stainless filler wire and TIG weld it like normal. So I'm gonna set y'all up for a time lapse and I will bring y'all back and show you the finished product. All right, so got it fully welded now. I'm really happy with the way that came out. I didn't warp the flange, so that's always good. I'm just letting it cool off to room temperature to make sure it don't develop any cracks, but I'm pretty confident it won't. I've used this method quite a few times and I've never had any issues out of it. For anybody that's worried about it, this is the turbo that come out of the blue S10. I installed the first wastegate and it had boost creep, so I went ahead and welded the second one on there. But as you can see, it didn't crack, and there's a couple other turbos that I've done like this and they still hadn't cracked either. So we're going to let this cool down and bolt it all back together, and then we will stick it in the truck and I'll show you what that looks like. All right, so I got everything put into the truck. That way y'all can get a look at what I've been doing. I'm really happy with the way this truck is turning out. It looks really good. I took a little extra time to try to make it look nice, and I'm happy I did. So this is where I'm at right now. I got the hot side completely done now. I'll probably just add a little bit of pipe to the wastegates and shoot them straight down on both sides, and we'll be done there. The cold side's pretty much done. Just gotta add a little bit to this piece and put some beads on them so the clamps will hold them better. Yeah, I'm going to mount the intercooler to the frame, and then probably going to use, there's these little fittings right here, and come to these down bars with a strap there, and then build some pads for it down there. Radiator will be mounted. I did start pulling some wiring, so we got a lot to shorten. This harness is very long, so all this goes right here, so you can see how much I got to take out of it. But I got the kit to do that. We'll just cut everything back, repin it. I'll show you the inside. Just kind of pull the wires through and zip tied it up out of the way. That way I could work with it. So looks pretty good. It'll have some loom on it, or maybe not. I don't know. We'll see what look I go with. But all this out here will have some, you know, some loom that came with it back on it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's where I'm at with the truck at this moment. I did pick up a converter from my buddy Zach, so shout out to him. This is a PTC converter. It was in his car, and his car makes a little bit more power than I'm gonna make, and he was starting to blow through this converter, so it's gonna probably be just about perfect for me. So he gave me a really good deal on it, and yeah, I mean, eventually we'll go bolt together, but I couldn't pass up the deal he gave me, and it's something we can use. I did have to buy a different flex plate because it's 11.5-inch bolt circle, and mine and theirs like 9 3/4, something like that. So got a different flex plate. But yeah, I'm going to end the video off here. Go get something to eat. I appreciate y'all watching. You know, if y'all would, you know, like, comment, subscribe. You know, we keep growing every time I upload a video, so I'd like to you know, keep that trend going. So I really do appreciate every one of y'all watching this video, and I'll catch y'all next time.